Have you ever opened your phone just to check the time, and suddenly it's 2 hours later and you're watching a raccoon make pancakes? Yeah, same. You're not lazy. You're not broken. But your brain's ability to focus, it's being hijacked every single day. And most of us don't even notice it happening. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand why your focus has gone MIA, but you'll walk away with practical, science-backed ways to fix it. And no, you don't have to delete all your apps or go live in the woods. Unless you're into that. Let's get into it. So why can't you focus? Our average attention span has dropped from 12 seconds in 2000 to just 8 seconds today. That's officially less than a goldfish. And no, this isn't because of some brain defect. It's because the world around you has radically changed. Let's talk about the main culprit, dopamine. Dopamine is a brain chemical that makes you feel good when you do something rewarding, like eating, laughing, or getting a like on your post. But here's the catch. Your apps, games, notifications, they're all engineered to flood your brain with just enough dopamine to keep you hooked. It's called dopamine hijacking. Every time you check your phone, scroll through TikTok, or get a text, your brain gets a little ding of reward. Over time, your brain starts craving more of those tiny hits. And suddenly, reading a book or doing focused work, it feels boring, painful even. This is what scientists call attention residue. Even when you switch tasks, a part of your brain stays stuck on the last thing. So if you go from studying to checking Instagram, then back to studying, your brain's still half on Instagram. Okay, so now you know what's happening. Let's fix it. Step 1, rebalance your dopamine. I'm not going to tell you to do a full dopamine detox where you sit in silence and drink herbal tea for 3 days. That's not realistic for most people. But here's a more doable version. Try 1 hour a day with no phone, no background noise, and no multitasking. Just do one thing. Walk, write, read. Let your brain get bored. That boredom is where real focus is built. After a few days, your brain stops chasing constant stimulation. It actually starts to crave depth again. Step 2, make distractions harder to reach. You don't have to throw away your phone. Just redesign your environment. Turn off non-essential notifications. Move your most distracting apps off your home screen. Set your phone to grayscale. It looks like old TV, and it instantly makes your screen less fun. You can also try a dopamine menu. It's a simple list of your go-to distractions. YouTube, Instagram, gaming, and you give yourself set windows of time when those are allowed. That way, your brain knows the fun stuff is coming, but not right now. Step 3, stop multitasking. It feels productive, but it's a lie. Multitasking doesn't save time. It just burns out your brain faster. Studies show it can drop your IQ by up to 15 points. That's the same as pulling an all-nighter. Instead, use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of deep focus, then a 5-minute break. Rinse and repeat. When you're in the zone, stay there. Don't let text tabs or emails pull you out. Step 4, optimize your environment. You might have all the right intentions, but if your space is a mess or full of distractions, focus is going to be an uphill battle. Clear your desk. Wear noise-canceling headphones. Try instrumental music, brown noise, or even silence. Studies show these can help your brain concentrate better. And here's a weird tip. Wear shoes, even at home. It tricks your brain into work mode. Try it. You'll see what I mean. Step 5. Sleep isn't optional. Sleep is when your brain resets. It clears out toxins, restores dopamine levels, and improves memory. Skip it and your focus tanks. In fact, sleep-deprived people perform worse on focused tasks than people who are legally drunk. So yeah, prioritize your rest. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night, and try to cut screens an hour before bed. Step 6, move more. Think better. Exercise boosts blood flow to your brain and releases feel-good chemicals. But you don't need a gym membership or a hardcore routine. Even a 10-minute walk, especially in sunlight, improves mood and focus almost instantly. So if you're stuck or mentally foggy, don't reach for caffeine. Move your body instead. Step 7, food affects focus. Your brain runs on fuel. Omega-3s, antioxidants, and complex carbs all help with memory and attention. Add things like nuts, blueberries, eggs, and green tea into your diet. And drink water. Seriously, even mild dehydration makes you sluggish and distracted. Next time your brain feels fuzzy, try a glass of water before your third coffee. Now, here's your challenge. Pick one thing from this video and try it today. Not all of them, just one. Comment below and tell me which one you're starting with. If this video helped you, give it a like. It tells the algorithm to show it to more people who need it. And if you want more no BS videos about your brain, your habits, and how to take control of your life, hit that subscribe button. We're just getting started. Your focus is your superpower. Time to take it back.